Today we shall be talking about the foods. These are really very good to conceive. Now the question arises, when you should start taking the diet which is helpful to conceive. So the answer is, whenever you feel that yes, we are planning to go the family way. I mean, whenever you want to conceive, the diet should be started that time, at least 3 months before you try to conceive. 3 to 1 year is a good time that you take care of your diet. Remember, when a woman is healthy, then it's perfectly all right to conceive. Generally what happens in my earlier videos, I see that, and the comments also, I see that people generally are living in a hurry to conceive quickly, whether they are having problems like menstrual disorders, irregular periods, PCOD, PCOS, I mean cyst in the ovaries, endometrium thickness is not so good. Even the ladies are trying to conceive. So my suggestions to you people that, first of all, take your lifestyle right. Exercise every day for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Take care of the diet. Prepare yourself. Be good, be healthy, and then try to conceive. That's the right way. So the right way to start your conceiving diet is around 1 year back, and also it's all right if you start it 3 months back also. So what kind of food you should be taking? First of all, folate. I have seen a lot of ladies have neural tube defects, and it creates a lot of problems in conceiving. So the food which is really good with folate should be taken in your diet. And what kind of food is there which is rich with folate? Note it down. That is beans, green leafy vegetables. Avocados is also good source for folate. Sprouts, nuts and citrus fruits. So have folate in enough quantity in your food. The second one is omega-3. I already have a video on that the omega-3 rich diet is explained in full. The link is there at the I section, I button. You can see the video in the description also. Omega-3 is a very rich source to boost conceiving power. That food boosts the fertility. Especially it helps in ovulation and in conceiving also. For men also, omega-3 is very helpful. Like it increases the sperm quality, it takes the motility better, even the sperm counts get better. So what kind of food should be taken for omega-3? Animal fat is a good source for omega-3, but that does not mean that vegetarian people cannot have omega-3. For omega-3 vegetarian foods, you can choose to have flax seeds. Any seeds have omega-3 rich variants. So include seeds in your diet. And about the animal omega-3 rich foods, you can have, that is salmon, trout, tuna, mackerel, sardines, DHA enriched eggs. And when I was talking about the vegetarian options, apart from flax seeds and other seeds, walnuts and chia seeds are also a good source of omega-3 rich food. Number 3 is iron. In the whole world, especially women, they are always having iron deficiency. So iron is a thing that boosts your energy, boosts your power. That is the thing that takes the quality of your blood to a balanced one. So what kind of food should we taking to take the iron level up? So that is cooked spinach, beans, lentils, lean meats, poultry, shrimp, oysters. Other than that, pairing iron food with food which is high with vitamin C, that includes oranges, tomatoes, strawberries and broccoli. That will also take your iron level on a higher side. Number 4 is antioxidants. Antioxidants are a rich source to boost the cellular level. Antioxidants have anti-inflammatory nutrients that works against cell damage. So the food which are colorful, like it is being generally said that include a rainbow in your diet. So the more colorful is your food, that will be rich with antioxidants. The colorful foods include tomatoes, bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, squash, blueberries, red beets and radishes. The last but not the least, that is vitamin D. Vitamin D is generally considered very good for your bone health, but it is also there to boost your autoimmune system. So vitamin D deficiency is there in most of the people around the world, because generally people do not go out under the sun, because our body also produces natural vitamin D, but when we go under the sun, then only your body consumes the vitamin D which is being produced there. But what happens, like if you go under the sun, you become tanned and there are chances of getting UV rays, skin cancers and such things. So getting vitamin D in the food is safe and healthy also. The food which are good with vitamin D4 are canned tuna fish, egg yolks, mushrooms, cereals, oats. So include the food which is rich with vitamin D. Now I have told you that what kind of food you should be taking, but there are a few things that you should be avoiding also. Above all is smoking, alcohol, excessive intake of caffeine. Also avoid junk food, bakery products, fast food items, the food which is rich with fine flour, that is maida in Hindi. If you go through the diet I have explained you, the essentials and the things you should not be taking, I am very sure that with a little bit of exercise, like 45 minutes to 60 minutes of exercise daily with this kind of diet, you will be able to conceive very quickly. I wish you all the best. Thank you.